My favorite kind of grouse.
Yeah.
Dark meat. And he took off. He flew up and I shot him right about there. And I couldn't see him go down, but I thought it was a good shot. So as I was walking in the woods there, I was standing there and there's feathers falling down from above still. So, oh yeah, I think I got him. So look a little harder, and yeah, he was sitting there in the muskeg. Always nice to have a shotgun. Yeah. It's really interesting. A little different than our cabin. It burned up this year. Yeah. Yeah, people being kind of feeling the way in here. Oh, I see. That's why they like it here. Yeah. There's a bit of a slough here and all that stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Same table in our cabin before it burned up.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah, that's pretty interesting cabin, all right. Yeah, the roof is all caved in. Yeah. But the walls are still standing. There's a nice spot. You can see why we built a cabin here.
Bunk beds there. Yeah, that's too bad. It's not well kept.
Yeah.
Pretty well. That's a nice view there.
Yeah. And some vapor barrier along the walls there. Probably just a block draft. Just kind of smart. I think the old outhouse is over there. But this guy's probably traveling, getting lots of beaver out of this area here, I bet.
Could even call a moose here.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's kind of sloopy.
Oh, yeah. Well, moose would like it around here, that's for sure. That's something, eh? Yeah, very old growth forest here. Yeah, at one time somebody put a bit of work into making this. Might have to look it up, see what trapline number this is. See what the other side looks like. See the kind of joints they made for the corners, which is just kind of pretty rough, square cut joints. And they did the windowsill, window frame. Huh, interesting. Yeah. And on the inside, there's bunk beds, one on top, one on the bottom. Not a whole lot of room, but it's enough room. Shelf. Yeah, little table. Yeah. Yeah, I was just wondering, I think the stove might have been here in the corner. I'm sure I don't see any other stove pipe opening. So, yeah, paper barrier just tacked onto the inside of the walls there. At least in this portion here, the back portion. So, must have. Door is pretty simple construction. Nothing fancy. Yeah. Those are planks they made. Probably bought those planks. Okay, so that's that. Trappers hole.
They kept it open at the end.
Yeah, yeah.
Looks like they cut down some tree, but look at that tree.
Yeah.
Some of
Just laying over top of there. Like somebody's recently been at work with a chainsaw here. Probably a log a tree fell right across the road here, and they moved it out.
Yeah.
So there's probably people come and camp here from time to time. Want to drive the vehicle in the driveway, if there is of it. Yeah.
Interesting.
So I'll just keep on going.
Yeah.
Kind of scouting a new area here for hunting, and actually I'm dressed in white because we're just on our way back from a funeral. I'm still wearing funeral clothes, not exactly hunting attire, but we set on our way back.
Looks like there's green.
Check out some new areas, and we picked up a couple of grouse already along the way. So beautiful day, beautiful day. Just nice, about 20 degrees Celsius. So you ready to continue on? We don't even know where this road is going to end up, to be honest.
Could be a dead end.
So we're going to find out. We're way off the highway.
We're just on a venture day.
Yeah, just on the way back home anyway, so
Yeah.
might as well try out these areas here. Came all the way back from Château, west of High Level. Did you like this video? If you did, I think you're gonna like this one right over here. So check it out. And I appreciate your subscribing if you haven't done so already. Remember to do that while you're watching this next video. Click like, it all helps us out for this channel. Catch you next time.